Okay, so one more quick little experiment. As you know, I've been ranking pages for SEO Expert all around the world, all around the country, as an experiment to show you just how easy it can be done once you have the right frameworks. I finished this page, published this page yesterday. So SEO Expert Malaga, 1, 2, 3, 4 paid ads. Then the map pack, but if we come down here, organic listings, 1, 2, 3, there's me in the centre there. So this page was built out a couple of days ago. It was published pretty much 2 days ago. It's the 26th of May today. This was 24th of May. If I go into incognito browser, SEO Expert Malaga, as you can see, this is coming from google.com. Like I said, you have the map pack, which I haven't gone after yet, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm not 3 there. And then you got 4 questions, and then there's me there, Darren Boyle, SEO Malaga. You're looking for an SEO expert who could really get things rolling for you, then just go through my case studies. You'll see I'm doing this in a couple of days for countries that my website shouldn't even be ranking in. It's .uk. Yeah, I'm ranking 4th for Malaga SEO Expert. If you're looking for someone who knows what they're talking about, visit my website, do a search for me, SEO Expert Malaga. Like I said, if you're looking for an SEO expert in Malaga, do a search. Oh, look at that. I didn't notice that. SEO Expert in Malaga, taking over the first spot. There you go. So, and like I've just shown you, I've done that in 2 days. So, if you want to learn SEO, if you want to get your website ranked, if you just want to bring in more leads for your business, come and talk to me. First page on Google, that's me. There, right there. 15 years in business doing this. So, hope that helps.